Okay.
All right, Papa. All right, well.
Okay. We're finishing up the day. We've been working on 76, getting some stuff worked out on it. But we want to get a little bit of information out to you guys. This will be a short video, just kind of more of an information video. As you start things, and when you start out, you think of the way things are going to go, and you got a vision, and then it may go off in a different direction, and you need to think about, rethink the way that you plan on doing things. And that is happening for us here in the last few weeks. I don't know why they would be interested, but we've had a couple companies reach out to us, which is a great thing. We are tickled to death, don't know where it would go, where it's going to go. And the future of what we want to do here on the YouTube channel and the plans we've got going on, we are not going anywhere by any means. This is good stuff for us. I don't know how y'all are going to feel about it, but we just wanted to get it out there. As y'all know, we build the kits to make the vans four-wheel drive for the 84 to 95 model kits. Not saying 100% that this is going to happen or whatever's going to happen, we don't know. But if you have been thinking about ordering a kit, we want to just tell you, go ahead and get one pretty quick. Because just the way things are going with us, we don't know where it's going to lead. And if it keeps going the way we think it is, I would just say if you want to get you a kit, go and get one now, so you won't be caught. So we just want to get that information out there to you. We're not going anywhere. We're tickled to death with what's going on. We want to thank y'all for what y'all done and how things are going. We really appreciate it. And y'all, like I always say, y'all keep doing what y'all do. We'll keep doing it.
And by the way, if you're wanting more info on kits, if you're wanting to do a little more research into what we do, how they're developed, everything from price, check out the website. There is the form where you can submit, and you'll actually be talking straight with Justin, aka my dad. You'll be talking with him on the phone. Whoa. He'll talk with you over everything about your van, the kit, and maybe the direction of your 4x4 build. But also with that, if you're looking for even more information, check out the playlist that I have made on our channel. It is everything you would ever want to know about the kits, how it makes a 4x4 van, and what it does for you. So everything from the time it was developed and the ideas and ground floor level to where we are now. In fact, we made a whole video walking around my van, Dirty Dice. You talked about, how it mounts, how it looks, everything from the jig, everything from the time you drop your two-wheel drive stuff, and then it's four-wheel drive. So all that information is there. That playlist is actually linked in the description of this video, so y'all check that out. And other than that,
and just real quick on that, you are right. Just about any information y'all would have, if y'all click around and look on our YouTube channel and watch videos, just about every question you would have would be answered in one of the videos.
So the Thrasher van, that's exciting. That's coming up. We're tickled to death about it. It's going to be a big van with nasty plans, and it's going to be. I don't have all the details and stuff. It's still floating around. We got to pick it out of the air and put it on paper.
Yeah.
But we're excited to do more camping. I've been wanting to go snow camping, get real down and dirty with it, in the cold, cooking, filming, getting wild. I want to do more of that. I want to take all of our vans and go up and crawl up in the mountains and just hibernate for a little while. But just talking about the future of the swim shop, it's going really good. It's going quicker than we expected, which we're so excited about.
And that's all thanks to you guys and what y'all want to see and the response. Because
absolutely,
that Kentucky video has it took off. That was probably one of our quickest, I guess, turnaround in views when we posted that. And
we'll try to do more of that for y'all for sure.
Oh yeah.
That was a fun video to make, and that's the kind of stuff we want to start doing. We basically, honest to goodness, we want to start living life, having fun, and taking y'all along with us. So, we got plans for these choppers in here. We got the the Thrasher van is something that, and I guess it's going to be called that. We keep saying that.
Yeah,
That's something we are.
We still, that's the fun of it. We can pick the name.
Oh, it could be.
We are really looking forward to that. And what really kicked it off was the day y'all saw it. We went over on the power lines with Seth's van, and it's just it brought back so many memories for me back in my trail riding and mud racing days. And when we had the idea of that, it just, man, it's just got us all excited. We just want to.
Since we have those goodies to put in it.
Yeah, we want to have something that we can
not just like
have,
a 305 or something.
We can have fun. We want something when we see the video, y'all say, okay, which one of them is going to get hurt in this one? Who's going to get hurt?
I don't want to get hurt. We're not trying to get hurt, but
for
the cause, we'll get hurt.
I'm sitting here looking at it too. One of the next plan after the Thrasher van is the camper van that we did the video on. We've already got some of the parts for it to build it, so we want to make that one. I mean, we got a lot of stuff that we really want to do, and we hope that y'all stick around for it and enjoy it like we plan on enjoying it too.
For sure. And I don't know. I mean, we could say it a million times. It's all y'all. The response, not just on YouTube, but social media, and how everybody just keeps returning and watching and seeing, and it's just really cool to witness.
Yeah, and go and make the comments on the page. I get a lot of emails and private messages and stuff. Get out there on the page and make the comments. I mean, I appreciate you contacting me. I told you to do that, but we like to see them comments on the channel.
We all don't respond all the time, but I'm
make them on the
But I mean, I read them and I'm like, yo, talk about this and that movie, and the guy who commented on the movie, I was like, yes.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
I love. I mean, interacting with y'all, man.
You always forget
that's fun.
Like what you say in the videos, and it's like, you know, even like little personal stuff like that.
Yeah.
Maybe then somebody comes back and says something. It's like, oh yeah, I did say that. Oh my gosh, that's right.
Yeah, so it's pretty cool. I was talking to a guy yesterday, I think he was from Missouri, and he was telling me, he was like, man, I'm telling everybody about y'all's channel, all my friends, anybody that does 4x4, and that's great, but go blast that out on the channel. Put a comment on the channel. That's cool. That's what I do. I get up in the mornings and I read all the comments that we've had, and I really enjoy that. It's pretty cool.
And two, we because you're so humble, you probably wouldn't say that, but we do get some comments from other fellow shops, fabrication, stuff like that, and we've gotten some big props from some names and stuff too, and it's just when you go to check out them and what they're doing, and for them to say, hey, y'all are out there killing it, doing it, whatever, and that's a big compliment. So
feels good for somebody like that to say good job.
Yeah,
absolutely.
Wow,
thanks. To fellow fabricators and
from your peers.
From your peers, exactly. Yeah, that means a lot, because you know we do come down here every day with the, you know, with the intentions of doing our best on everything, and especially when it's for someone else or whatever. You know, we come down here doing I give them 110, sometimes some days 200%, trying to get this stuff done and done right. So that means a lot.
We screw up. None of us are trained in any of this. We are all self-taught. I mean, nobody. Ivan welds awesome. He's never been to school for welding. I mean, we never done anything for engineering. I'd love to get hold of some engineers and get them in a room and tell them how wrong they are on some stuff, but we've never done any. We don't have any schooling. It's all just been self-taught right here in this 40x40 shop right here. And, so to hear somebody, like you just said, some of your peers say something like that, it means a lot. Yeah, we're rambling on. It's we appreciate it. We just wanted to the biggest thing we wanted to get out on this video. We're not going anywhere, but as far as kits go, if you want a kit, let's go and get it ordered for you.
But until then, we're going to be up in your face.
Okay.
Get your kit.
Get a kit. Get your kit. I'm talking big vans, big 4x4.
Bye.
Thrasher. Ooga booga, ooga booga, ooga booga, ooga booga, ooga booga. Ooga booga, ooga booga, ooga booga.
Well, and so, you know, I know
What the hell are you doing?
I know
I was ooga booga.
our older videos that we've done, like